All right, this is the Swan lobby at Christmas decorations. That is where you check in. More Christmas trees. That's the back where you go to the parks. And then that's the front. Oh my God, honey, did you see that? They have Christmas trees in the spinny.
Oh crap, they're in the thing. Yeah, it does have this. That's something else.
And the planning center and the gift shop. And the gift shop looks like it's all decked out for Christmas too. And then what is this over here? This is the coffee bar. And then there's 3 restaurants here. Right? 3 restaurants or 2?
What is this place?
It's the bar. It's the coffee bar. It's the backside of the coffee bar. So yeah, pretty nice lobby here at the Swan. Our hotel has this awesome chocolate Santa display. I can smell the chocolate. Oh my God, it smells so good. Can you smell the chocolate, honey?
I can't smell anything.
Oh, well, I can smell the chocolate.
Sanitizer.
I smell chocolate. All right, we are in our room. It's on the 12th floor on the east side. I think we got upgraded. It is pretty darn cool. It is a king size bed with a couch and a TV that's blaring. Could you turn that off real quick? Okay. And look at the view. So this is, oh my gosh, there's Tower of Terror, Hollywood Studios. This is an awesome view. Oh my God, we can see everything. So yeah, we've never been on the 12th floor. It's kind of funny because we were talking about how we might have to use the stairwell if the elevator gets backed up. 12th floor, don't think we're gonna be walking the stairwell. But yeah, I love this room. So we got the king size bed, a couch, a table. Very nice. Where's my bottles of water? Did they not give us bottles of water?
You gotta be kidding me.
Are they in the fridge? Oh, they're in the fridge. I get free bottles of water because of my points. We are higher than the Skyway. All right. This just made our day better. Love it. So yeah, 12th floor, East Wing, Swan. Oh, and then there's, here we go. There's 4 bottles of water right here. We have 6 bottles of water, which is good because they don't clean your room because of the whole, COVID. And so if you want extra bottles of water, you have to go to the front desk. There's always a line. And so we get to drink 6 bottles of water before we have to wait in a line. That's awesome. This is my frozen apple juice that's melting very quickly. And then I'm gonna eat my gingerbread cookie, relax, recharge my phone, and then head back to the parks. All right, so when you're leaving the hotel, this is the exit to walk to the park, to walk to Epcot. It is Christmas, so look at this.
I just bought this poncho.
It's fine. We'll put it in my backpack. Yeah, we just bought a poncho because it's raining. Anyway, and it stopped.
It just stopped.
Oh, I bought a jacket too because it was not a $60 poncho. Keep it folded.
$80.
You never know. Anyway, this is the exit, and then clear right across from us. It was just stop.
Oh my God.
All right, put it in my bag if you don't want to wear it.
No, I'm gonna wear it. I bought it. I'm wearing it.
You're not gonna wear it. Put it in my bag. So anyway, that's the Swan. Oh, wait, we are the Swan. That is the Dolphin. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, we are on the 12th floor, and there is the ice machine. Right next to our room is this ambassador suite, which sounds like terrible. Like, oh my God, there's like meeting right next to our room, but it actually works out because no one's in a meeting right now. And this is definitely the quietest room we've ever had, and quietest at this hotel, because sometimes this hotel can be pretty noisy. I need to get the room key, so $12.49, very quiet room. We are in front of the Swan Hotel, and right there to the left of the valet, those are the shuttle buses that take you to the parks. As you can see, they're no longer Disney shuttle buses. They're just unmarked Mears shuttles. But they work. We took one yesterday. They work pretty much the same as the Disney buses. Oh, and here's our Mears shuttle. Gotta go.